Hello everyone, I'm from India Spelling Bee. Today we are going to learn a new word for the day. But before that, can you guess the word for the day? I have jumbled the letters of the word. Can you guess the word? Think. Yes, right. The word for the day is sock. The spelling of sock is SOCK. I repeat, it's SOCK. Now let's find out its meaning. The meaning of sock is a garment for the foot and lower part of the leg, typically knitted from wool, cotton, or nylon. I repeat, the meaning of sock is a garment for the foot and lower part of the leg, typically knitted from wool, cotton, or nylon. Now let's make a sentence with the word sock. Ravi found a new sock from his cupboard. I repeat, Ravi found a new sock from his cupboard. Thank you for watching our video. We'll come back again with a new word of the day. So till then, bye bye.